Hello everyone. Welcome back to JTMS Timesheet software tutorial. Today we are going to learn email configuration in Timesheet software. So let's start. Click on Configuration. In this features you can configure auto email as per your requirement. Admin can send warning email to the particular employee those who are not submitted their timesheet. Form here you can set the particular day that you have to send email. Form here you can set some basic mandatory fields like location should be compulsory and while entering the timesheet narration should be there. Then user should enter total time and so on. Also you can send email for minimum hours not submitted to the particular employee. Here you can freeze the timesheet for the particular employee, like if suppose one of the staff wants to enter last week of timesheet in the current week, so that option will not come. Also you set daily total working hours. Also working days in a week from here. And also you can set weekly off. So guys, I hope you all are understand email freezing tutorial. Thank you for watching JTMS Timesheet tutorial. We'll see you in next tutorial.